Right, we are going to get straight into things. It's time to introduce our first guest. Yes, he's Honda's General Manager of Corporate Communication, and he's here to tell us everything that we need to know about the all-new HEV. John, welcome. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Alex. Delighted to be here, and I'm really looking forward to unveil the new HEV.
I know you're excited because that was a strong walk onto the set earlier.
Thank you very much.
I was feeling it. But I want to ask you, why right now is it time to release this car?
Well, there's a lot of change taking place in the car industry at the moment, and that's mainly around how our cars are powered. We're seeing a rapid electrification of the car industry. Now, here at Honda, we see ourselves as a leader in electrification, to the extent that by the end of next year, all mainstream models in the Honda lineup will be electrified. And one of the key technologies to help us do that will be advanced hybrid technology. Now, the new HEV is hybrid only, so it's very much the right type of car for today and for today's customer.
Nice.
Where did Honda start with the concept of this then, when you were creating it?
Well, we started with the customer, and we looked in depth at what a customer for a small urban crossover is looking for. And we found they're looking for a car that reflects their lifestyle and their attitude. And we translated that into the HEV into three core values of confidence, aesthetics, and pleasure. So in terms of confidence, a car that's practical, safe, and reliable, and we feel we've achieved that with the HEV. Aesthetics, a car that's got a striking, confident, modern design, and hopefully you'll see that shortly when we unveil the car. And in terms of pleasure, a car that offers top-level comfort, but also those exciting driving dynamics that you expect with a Honda. So I think we've delivered a really good package, and in the words of the development team who designed this car, they feel it's a car that will amp up the lives of our customers.
Amp up the lives.
That's right.
I absolutely love it. But this is the big moment now, and it's not on me, John. This is on you. Take it away.
Well, thank you, Alex. It now gives me great pleasure to unveil the all-new Honda HEV.
Wow, how impressive is that? There you have it, the 2021 Honda HEV. John, first thoughts on it?
Well, I know the whole team at Honda are really proud of this vehicle, so it's great for us to get it unveiled here in Europe, and I think it looks fantastic, and I hope you guys do too.
It is. It looks fantastic. I'm going to put you on the spot right now. How do you sum it up in a nutshell? OK, well, the HEV helped to define the small crossover segment. In actual fact, the last HEV model, we sold 3.8 million units globally, so it was a very successful, popular car for us. But with this new model, we're looking to help design a car that helps customers get the most out of their lifestyle. And I think we've done that, whether that's with the interior spacious cabin, the responsive technology that helps customers stay connected at all time, the advanced hybrid technology, which means every journey is cleaner or more affordable, or that striking, confident, modern design. Nice.
So I think we've got a really good package.
Come on then, John. What are the key features? Now's your chance to tell us what are the key features about the HEV.
Well, I like those features that simply make your life easier. And one of the standouts for me is the air diffusion system. Now, what that does is it gently circulates air around the cabin. Instead of having the air blasting out of those vents straight into your face, so it creates a really nice, calm, relaxing atmosphere in the cabin. It's a really nice feature.
I like being relaxed.
Exactly, it's perfect.
Now, it wouldn't be a Honda if there weren't some unique features about it on board. So what have we got?
Well, two things spring to mind. Firstly, that advanced hybrid technology.
Yeah.
We'll hear a little bit more about that later, but on the HRV, we have the eHEV system. And in summary, what that delivers is a dynamic, responsive, yet smooth driving experience, but also one that's efficient and economical. So that's a really important part of this new car. The second one is the centre fuel tank layout. Now, that sounds a bit boring, doesn't it?
No,
but
not to me.
It is really innovative. No, exactly. It's great. It's really innovative and really clever. And what it allows for is that fantastic interior space, both in the cabin, but also at the back in terms of the load space. It also allows for Honda's unique Magic seats. That means those seats, they can flip flat, so you get a fantastic flat load space in the back of the car. They can also flip up vertically, cinema style, so you've got a really innovative, flexible space for carrying those large items in your boot. Really nice feature.
Brilliant.
John, wait, where do I need to go to get my hands... not me, the viewers. Where do the viewers need to go to get their hands on one of these?
Well, if they click on the link below, it will take them to their local Honda website where they can find out more information about the product, but also register for interest.
John, thank you for being here this evening. We appreciate you taking the time to unveil the all-new Honda HR-V. Thank you very much.